this is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here this evening actually. This is the only time I have to record is after work. And I'm going to do day 4 of the Art Impressions Watercolor Advent Calendar. I've had so much fun playing with this set so far. I've opened day 1, 2, and 3, and I'm keeping them on this little acrylic photo frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for a way to store your stamps while you're working on them, this is a great way to do that. I will later put, once I'm done with the Advent, I'll put them away in another storage container. But for now, this works great. It stays right on my desk, and I can pull off whatever ones I need that I'm working on this day. So I did this. The set does come with a catalog, and it does show the different stamps that are in here, which I did take a peek at. I know they have it sealed in case you don't want to take a peek at it. I did take a peek so that way I could kind of plan ahead of what I wanted to work on for the day, so I have a general idea of what I'm thinking of for the day. I will sometimes use the stamps that are included. I may add some additional ones for my collection. I think today I'm just going to use the ones that I've used in the Advent so far, so that's great. But there's a QR code in here with 4 examples of cards that Art Impressions has created for us, so that gives you some inspiration pieces also. But let's dig in and see what we have for day 4. So day 4 comes with a beautiful poinsettia stamp. Oh, and that's a lot bigger than I thought it was. That is absolutely beautiful. So I always try to use the smallest block possible that will fit our stamp. And it looks like the medium-sized block is going to be perfect for this. So let's go ahead and get started. Sometimes I'm really good at treating my stamps, so I go through and either run my microfiber cloth or use my finger. You can pull in your eraser and erase it. There's times when I'm really bad and I just go ahead and start stamping right away. So do as I say, not as I do. As I've done in some of my other videos, I'm going to be silent while I'm watercoloring, so I'm not going to give a lot of tutorials with this. I'm just going to go ahead and watercolor and let you listen. right, so here is day 4's card. I did the poinsettias. I'm thinking, oh, I almost want to put a little bit of the green in there behind it. Yep, nope, I'm going to leave it just like it is. So I did 3 little poinsettias. I mix in the pink and the red. I just like how it gives it more of a variegation of color. And then from my crystal art craft buddy advent, I brought in some of the gems. So reuse them, put them to good use, and give them a good home. Thank you so much for joining me again. This is day 4 of my art impressions advent calendar. Join me again tomorrow for more fun. Take care. Have a great night. Bye.